Did you know the Mahakumbh is a once-in-a-lifetime spiritual event held every 144 years? It's a rare opportunity to cleanse your soul and seek moksha, drawing millions of pilgrims from around the world. Join us on this sacred journey where the Mahakumbh is more than just a festival, it's a spiritual awakening. Discover the divine essence that makes this event truly extraordinary. Indulge in deluxe accommodations that blend luxury with serenity. Our spacious camping stay offers relaxation amidst the vibrant Mahakumbh, ensuring a peaceful retreat. Savor gourmet vegetarian meals crafted to energize your spiritual exploration. Enjoy hassle-free travel with our inclusive pickup and drop services, making your journey seamless. Embark on a half-day guided Mela tour to witness sacred rituals and cultural marvels. Our knowledgeable guides provide deeper insights into the traditions of Mahakumbh. Create lifelong memories with a curated blend of comfort, spirituality, and cultural immersion. Experience the spiritual essence of Mahakumbh like never before. Reserve your spot for an unforgettable Mahakumbh experience. Enjoy a 10% discount for groups of 10 or more, perfect for families and friends seeking a shared spiritual journey. Visit kumbhfair.com or call us to book your deluxe package now. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of Mahakumbh and make your spiritual journey truly extraordinary.